And then so basically for question 5 and this one, basically call it question 6. Why not? Question 5 and question 6 are a little bit different because this one's actually is actually pretty easy because it's just what is the value of the bond today. I don't know about this question. Why is it required? I can't even remember what the answer was to that. What is the value of the bond today? These are saying what is IRR? Calculate the IRR. And this one is yield to redemption. Yield to redemption basically means the same thing. Basically means calculate IRR for both. So what you have to know is there is a formula for IRR that Sir gave us in a class here. Lower discount rate plus lower rate net present value over lower rate net present value minus higher rate net present value times by higher discount rate minus lower discount rate. Okay, so let me write it down. IRR equals lower discount rate plus lower rate net present value over lower rate net present value minus higher rate net present value multiplied by the higher discount rate minus the lower discount rate. Okay, this is the IRR formula, and you remember the normal formula that we always do for value of bonds or whatever is coupon amount times by the annuity of R plus 100, it's always 100, nominal value is always 100, 1 plus R to the power n gives you the answer. That is the answer. Coupon amount times by annuity of R plus 100 of 1 plus R to the power of n. Write that n better. And basically, just so you understand, where it says annuity of R is basically, you know you're looking at the right one when it's going like each year it increases a bit. This is the annuities, because there's another one which is an annuity where it's always like 0 points, it stays 0, they're always zeros. Even 10th year, 0, that's the wrong one, this is the right one. It's always increasing each year. So the values are increasing from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. That's the annuity. That's the annuity table. That's how you know you're looking at the right table. Okay, so that's the formula. That's the two formulas. The IRR formula you need to know, and then always the value of bond formula. Coupon amount, annuity of R, 100, 1 plus R, and always 100. So question 5. Okay. Question 5. What do we have? We have 10-year bond. So straight away, n equals 10. 10-year bond. Nominal value 100. We always do that 100 over the formula 1 plus R. We have coupon equals 8%. Coupon equals 8%. The price equals 90. Calculate the IRR. So basically, what this is. So if you look at it, it tells us that the price of the bond is 90, and the nominal value is 100. So what it basically means, it's dropped in value. It used to cost 100. Now it costs 90. So that means you have to substitute in R, because they don't tell us what R is. The other one, they told us what R was. They said R is 7% required rate of return. 5, you don't know what R is, so you have to what you have to do is substitute. You have to guess. Basically, you guess 2 different R values or 3 different R values, and you work it out like that. But there's basically a clue. Because they're saying the price is 90, which is less than 100, it means R is going to be greater than 8%. Yeah? Because it's less than. So if you just say, okay, so 8%, they've given us the coupon amount is 8%. If we say, for example, let R equal 9%, see what the answer is. Let R equal 10%, see what the answer is. That's what you're doing, substituting. Because you know 90, they've given you price as 90 and it's less than. If they gave you 120, greater than 100, then the R's would be less. It would be at 7%, try 7, try 6, try 5. But because they've told you it's less, not more, you go up. So you'd go try R equals 9, try R equals 10. So okay, so what do we have? We have 10-year bond. So what do we have? We have n equals 10. Okay, nominal value is 100, we always know that. Nominal value equals 100. Coupon rate's at 8%. Coupon amount is 8%. So coupon equals 8 You can write just write the percent, why not? And then we're going to say, what else am I missing? So so coupon, and then let r equal 9. We're going to do let r equals 9% first. Then we're going to do another one. We're going to do it again, and then let r equal 10%, and then see what we get. Okay, so basically, so coupon amount. So looking at the formula, we know what the formula is. Coupon amount, annuity of r, 100, 1 plus r to the power n. So coupon amount, 8. So straight away, 8 multiplied by 8. Annuity of r. So this time we're looking at let r equal 9% for 10 years. And it's the annuity of r. So 9% for 10 years. So what's that formula? Go to the annuity table. Where is 9%? This is 9%. We're looking for 10 years. So wait, 9%, 10 years, 6.418. 6.418, 8. So coupon amount 8 times by 6.418. 8 times by 6.418 plus 100, because we know the nominal value is 100, but it's always the same. The formula is always 100. 1 plus r. R is 9%, 0.09. To the power of how many years? 10 years. 10 equals, gives you a value. Let's do it. So 8 times by 6.418 plus 100 new bracket 1 plus r 0.09 to the power of 10. Close bracket. How much? 93.59. 93.59. And this one's different. So before, this is where we ended, 93.59. We'd say, okay, that's the answer. But this one's different because they're telling us to calculate IRR. So this one's a bit longer than the one before. So the first thing we have to do is, we worked out 93.59, okay? But the price is 90, okay? Price is 90. Price is 90. So what we have to do is 93.59 minus 90 equals 93.59 minus 90 equals 3.59, obviously. 3.59 equals 3.59. That's okay. So this is okay. So we just leave that. So basically we just leave it there, and then we go on to let r equal 10%. So let r equal 10%. So we know the coupon rate is 8%. It can't be 8 because the price is 90. If it was 8, if r is 8 and coupon's 8, then it's going to tell you the price is 100. But it's 90, so we have 8. So we've done 8. So 8 is coupon. We've done 9. Now we're going to do 10. Same formula. Coupon amount. Coupon stays the same. Coupon's 8%. So 8 times by, same formula, 8 times by, what do we have? Annuity of r. Okay. So this time r is 10%. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this time r equals 10% for 10 years. 10% for 10 years comes at 6.145. So 8 times by 6.145. Coupon amount times by annuity rate of r plus 100, always 100. 1 plus r. R is 10%, 0.1 to the power of n. How many years? 10 equals 8 times 6.145 plus 100 over 1 plus r. Okay, perfect. All right. So, okay, what do we have? So we're doing 8 times by 6.145 plus 100 over 1 plus r, 0.1 to the power of 10, end bracket, how much do we have? 87.71. Okay, equals 87.71. And now again, what did we do? So here, what did we do? We got the value and we took it away from the price that they gave us at the start of the question. Same thing here, 87.71. 87.71. Take away the price, 90 equals 87.71. Take away 90 equals minus 2.29. And basically what you do is you know that you've got this right when you have one positive value, 3.59, and you have one negative value, minus 2.29. Okay, that's how you know you're basically on the right lines. 3.59, minus 2.29, and now we sub this into the IRR formula. So low discount rate plus low rate net present value over low rate net present value minus high rate net present value times by high discount rate minus low discount rate. So here, what do we have? So we did let R equal 9. Where is it? Let R equal 9%. This is the lower rate. So 10% will be the high discount rate. High discount rate. Here. R equals 9%. That's the lower discount rate. Lower discount rate. And then we've got our two values. We've got the positive and we've got the negative. So because this is the answer to, so because 3.59 is the answer to the lower discount rate, this is the lower rate net present value. So 3.59 is the lower rate net present value, minus 2.29 is the higher rate net present value. Okay, because that was the answer to R equal 10%. So now we worked out, we know what our high discount rate is, we know what our higher rate net present value is, we know what our lower rate net present value is, and we know what the lower discount rate is, 9%. And that's basically everything we need in the IRR formula. So for this question, for question 5, this is IRR equals low discount rate. What is the low discount rate? So 0.09 plus 0.09 plus low rate net present value 3.59 low rate net present over low rate net present value 3.59 minus the higher rate net present value. So the higher rate is minus 2.29 times by the high discount rate 0.1 minus the lower discount rate 0.09. So this is our low discount rate plus lower rate net present value over low rate net present value minus higher rate net present value times by the high discount rate 10% minus the lower discount rate 9% equals, put that into the formula, put that into calculator, 0.09 plus 3.59 minus 2.29 end bracket times by the high discount rate 0.1 minus the lower discount rate 0.09 equals what was that? 0.0961. Okay, 0.0961. R equals 9.61%. That's the answer. R equals 9.61%, and that's obvious because why? We did let R equal 9%, let R equal 10%, and obviously the answer is in the middle because one of them's positive, one of them's negative. That's the answer. IRR formula. This formula. Have to remember this formula. Have to remember the IRR formula. That's basically what question 5 is. So realistically,